We'll do the Joan Jett first. Woo!
Bring up the drummer.
I saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. That's right, that's what he said, cause it's all the same. Second I take you home, where we can be alone. Next we're moving on, next we were moving on. Next we're moving on. Tell me, singing I love rock and roll. Put another time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. Put time in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. Time in the jukebox.
Wow, Kim, that was pretty close. Did you want to do another song? You want to do another song like Bohemian Rhapsody or something? Something more your level?
That is Madonna.
Bohemian Rhapsody?
I think Andy's going to come up.
Okay, if you want to get help, sure. You want to call a friend? You want to call a friend?
I think Andy wants
You want to use the lifeline?
Where did he go? Do you know where he's going?
No, never heard of it.
Oh, here's Andy. On the stage, yeah? Is there an extra mic?
Andy, you look like
No
a...
material girl by Madonna.
Andy, you're a total Madonna guy, right? You're going to have that vibe. I'm getting that vibe from you.
Good segment. Do you have an extra microphone?
Do you have an extra microphone? Are you going to sing?
All right, that's going to
No, I'll let you use mine.
Madonna material.
I'll let you use mine, that's fine.
Girl. No, but I...
You can either use Steve's or mine.
You can use back right? I do it, but
Yeah, but Andy, Kim needs help singing the lead.
Here we go, another song by Committee.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Oh, I'll tell you what, Brady, only if you help out with Material Girl.
Yeah, Brady can get on stage too.
all right, let's do it.
The more the merrier. 3, 4. just walk away. Yeah, baby, think they're okay. Always gets right. We're living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we're living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
Okay, chorus out. Let's do it. Wow. Jim, that was almost like the Latin Monaco album. Close.
That was
We're going to take a short break. Be back after a little bit.
I'm teaching you.
That was from her residency in Vegas.
Right, yeah, that's something. Okay,
I
anyway.
won the award.
Take it over there, DJ Elena.
Thank you.